Good morning, good people. It's Anna again here from Miss Moredi channel, and welcome back to my channel. You can see from the previous video, we are in the village, and this is how our days are here. So be sure to watch to the end, and let's do this together. We just got to the village last night, and it's baby's first morning here. We just took breakfast and we brought her out to see the dog and see what her reaction will be. And surprisingly, she did not cry. She was just chilled and looking at it. Once she was done seeing the dog, I took her and we sat here in the farm to this specific place because it has some kind of shade from the banana and the avocado tree. And yeah, she was so peaceful. I think she's made for this kind of life. I think. Yeah. She was so chilled. I love it. That she's connecting with nature. See how she's looking around at all. Yeah, this is my sister's cat. She's called Ruby. So it's lunchtime and I had to prepare some food for us. After finishing that, I had to do some laundry for the baby. This is the next day, and this drink is some drink like the ginger shots. It's made of some garlic, ginger, beetroot, yeah, this kind of stuff here. And that's the laundry. I did it yesterday and they are all nice and dry. And then I'm trying to undo my braids, so this is how my head looks now. And then I'm going to do the first pump of the day. After pumping, I went to the chicken's house to feed them, and yeah, this is after we have given them food. I had forgotten to record while I was doing it. And we have some baby chickens here. What do we call them? Chicks? Yeah. Did you know that thornmelons have a very great nutritious value in your body? We have thornmelons in our farm and we have a bountiful harvest. And these are just some of them. There's so many of them. This thing is not tasteful, but just take it for the nutrition, right? And Now I'm going to give you a small tour of the farm. So this is a small farm where we have some bananas, lemons. This is a papaya tree. As you can see, it looks very healthy. So the fruits will start coming soon. And you can see the dog is there. The dog's name is Moose. And we have bananas. And this is our well. We pump the water for our tenants and ours for use. And we have more papaya trees, as you can see. It looks very crusty and dry because it's not the rainy season, but from time to time we pump water for the plants here. As you can see, there's a cassava arrowroot, and some dry maize that will be harvested soon, and one very old papaya tree, and the birds have started eating one ripe papaya on the tree, as you can see there. Last but not least, these are small bananas that can be transplanted to somewhere else. And yeah, as you had seen earlier there, this is the sitting area on the farm. You just chill there when it's very sunny and hot in the house. And yeah, this is an avocado tree. We had a very large one, but we chopped it off. Yeah, and we have some, are they arrowroot or cassava? The ones with the root in the center, and they're the ones that we have made with the fence. You can see the leaves are somehow similar to the papaya tree. I'll give you a close-up of it, you see, but these are just somehow thin leaves. So basically that's the whole farm tour. And yeah, and that's a small tour of the farm.